Hey friends, welcome to 5 Minutes Tech YouTube channel. In this video, we are going to see unboxing of pyramids. Here we have purchased pyramids and we are going to unbox it. It is made up of Moyu company. Make premium bustle for viewers to enjoy. And just open and yes, see. This is the pyramid. And one instruction manual will also be given along with your pyramids. If you would like to solve these pyramids, yes, you can solve. It can be easily solved. Okay, there are different logic and formula, so you can easily solve using those logic and formula. Okay, we will see in the next video how to solve a pyramid. Okay, easy step by step guide will be given to you. According to that instruction, you can easily solve. Now, as of now, I am just collapsing all the faces. Okay, yes, done. So here you have just seen the unboxing of these pyramids. That's all, friends. Thanks for watching. If you would like to share this video, as you can do it, we don't expect any subscription from you. Don't subscribe, just to remember us and share us. Okay, that's all, friends. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.